What's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you guys a look at this Victoper spotlight. It comes in this very plain cardboard box. Looks like there is some kind of stand here. So you can go ahead and set the spotlight up and direct it in the direction if you're doing work outside and it's dark out. Maybe you're playing a sport and it's dark and you want to light up the court. This would be perfect. And you can see it's got that tripod kind of attachment right there. You've also got different lenses. So you can put a red, a yellow, or a blue. So you got different options if you want to light the environment with a cool color, maybe for parties and stuff like that. Right here you got this USB-C cable, nice and long, nice and thick for charging up the spotlight. And here it looks like you got a lanyard of sorts if you want to put the light around your neck. Here is the simple user manual. As we take it out of the bag, you can see this thing is hefty. It's like I'm holding on to a weapon here almost. Looks like you got some sort of stand there if you want to direct it like that. So the first light is the strongest, second one it gets a little bit duller, third light it goes completely off. And on the side here you got the side light right here. So that's also the strongest mode, second strongest, off. So you can see just how bright this side light is. This is great for emergencies. Maybe you're fixing a flat tire on the side of the road, it's dark out. This would come perfectly in handy. You don't need quite the distance with the light. Whereas this one where you press the button right here, this is great for just looking up in trees at night. Maybe you want to look in, you're a bird watcher, you want to see what kind of birds are out at night, perfect. It is completely dark. Look at that. Here's that side light again. This also has no issue lighting up literally everything in the room. And actually, if you hold down this side button here, you get this emergency light, blue and red flashing, maybe alert people that you need help. If you hold down this one, you get a strobe here as well. So this will definitely get somebody's attention. So on the back here, you've got this dust-proof and splash-proof cover. You've got a USB port here, so you can actually use this thing as a power bank. And if your phone is ever running out of juice anywhere, you also got a USB-C port, so you can go ahead and charge this thing up. And you got 4 indicator lights telling you when this thing is 25, 50, 75, and 100% charged. So that is very useful. You've also got this clip here on the side. You can go ahead and put that on your belt buckle. Now to go ahead and put those color lenses on. So you want to pop in a yellow one. And there you go, now you get this yellow kind of light. So you can just do that with any types of lenses you want. Overall, this thing is very nicely built. I really like the different features such as the power bank, the different methods of carrying this thing, the different methods of setting this thing up.